Well, with all the snow we've had this winter and temperatures all over the place, the ice conditions on many lakes have not been stable. Right now, you're seeing a training exercise under the icy surface of Twin Lake in Anoka County. Sheriff's deputies are working with a new tool that could be life-saving if someone falls through.
Morgan Wolf shows us how it works and how it could help rescues and investigations in every season.
In a state filled with water.
So we have a mannequin on a rope.
It's essential to have first responders who can handle emergencies in it.
And that's what I'd like to try and grab.
Now this tool is giving Anoka County Sheriff's Office eyes and new capabilities underwater.
Today we've got great clarity on the lake.
What you're looking at is a video feed from their new remotely operated underwater vehicle. It's nicknamed the ROV, but think of it more like a water drone.
It has 8 thrusters, 360-degree maneuverability.
This bubble here is where the high-def camera sits, and above that is a sonar.
Although it looks easy, it looks like you're just playing Xbox, flying this thing around. It is tough to be able to, interpret the images you're seeing and make some of these exact, maneuvers.
Mike Shanson has been diving with the Anoka County Sheriff's Office for 12 years.
We can do this with, one person minimally, ideally 2 or 3 people, whereas it can take up to an hour to get divers set up.
Mike says they can cut a hole in the ice and get the ROV in and have an object in hand within minutes. I say object because it's not just being used for rescues and recoveries, but also to find evidence.
Before, we send our divers down with like a GoPro and we're either taking still shots or taking video.
This department has lost roughly 5 dive team positions over the years. The ROV is swimming in to bolster more resources.
Not have to worry about the safety of your divers, that's also key as well.
Rounding out a team that makes the rounds underwater. This specific ROV costs roughly $40,000, but we're told that there are larger models that can cost upward to $250,000. On Twin Lake,